This video will highlight the proper way to use a Salvajor disposer. To begin, if this is a new disposer installation, be sure the disposer's grind chamber is free of any non-food waste debris, such as screws or anything that could have fallen into the sink opening during or after installation. The disposer is for food waste only, but some food waste should never be run through the disposer. This includes clamshells or stringy fibrous materials like corn husk, artichokes, etc. Other items that commonly end up in a disposer that shouldn't include silverware, glass, plastic wrap, and latex gloves. In addition, chemicals should not be used in the food waste disposer because of their corrosive nature. If the control panel is equipped with a line disconnect, begin by turning it to the on position. Next, press the green start button. The disposer will start and cold water will enter the disposer. Now, gradually feed a steady stream of food waste into the disposer. The disposer will grind and dispose of the food waste down the drain and into the sewer system. Never batch feed a large amount of food waste into the disposer without it running. Once the disposer has cleared all food waste, allow it to run for at least 20 seconds so that the water will flush the drain lines of food waste. Press the red stop button to end operation. If the disposer jams during operation, it will need to be cleared and reset. For a video on how to dejam a disposer, click on the link below or visit Salvajor's YouTube channel and watch the video How to Dejam a Disposer. For additional questions, contact Salvajor's Service Department. For notifications on new content, please like and subscribe. Thank you for choosing Salvajor.